The expected rise in air conditioner prices in India is linked to the tightening of energy efficiency norms and the rising global cost of key industrial inputs such as copper. The norms are regulated by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency under the STAR labeling program, which mandates higher efficiency standards for appliances to reduce electricity consumption. Under the revised standards, manufacturers must redesign air conditioners to achieve higher energy performance levels, often requiring better compressors, improved heat exchangers, and increased use of copper coils. Copper is preferred over aluminum due to its superior thermal conductivity and durability, but its global prices have risen due to supply constraints and growing demand in sectors such as renewable energy and electric vehicles. These technological upgrades increase production costs, which are expected to raise retail prices of ACs by 5 to 15%. In the short term, this may contribute marginally to consumer inflation, especially in the durable goods segment. However, the policy aligns with India's long term energy security and climate goals. More efficient appliances reduce electricity demand, lower peak power load during summers, and decrease carbon emissions. Thus, while consumers may face higher upfront costs, energy efficient appliances can lead to lower electricity bills and reduced environmental impact over time, supporting sustainable economic growth.